What's up, Twitter subscribers and Discord members? This is Jesse. It's almost 11 a.m. Going to try to get out to head out of here about 11 a.m. and we're going to take the bikes down the beach and get into the mix a little bit. Cruise around and get some lunch after that, and then fireworks after that. So hope everyone has a good day, and I'm going to jump right into it. This is going to be a quick video on silver futures. Obviously, this is not financial advice. Is for educational purposes only, and always do your own research. So, I always like to start, if you're in the Discord and you're a member, then you know that, I like to look at the monthly, the weekly, and the daily chart the most. So I start with the monthly chart. We've got on the monthly chart, 200-week moving average, it was in a downtrend for many years, right? So started being a downtrend, 2014, and then started to slope back up or go sideways and start to slope back up 2019. So like 5 years silver was in a downtrend, right? So now it's back in an uptrend. Price is back above it. It's still bullish. There was a monthly buy signal back here in March, came back to retest the trending green dots and the 200-week moving average yet again. So still in bullish territory for silver futures. So for me, that's one of the reasons why I look at the monthly and the weekly is that what's the overall trend, and then trade with that. So if it's in an overall long-term trend, I typically like to buy the dip, and if it's in a longer term downtrend, then I like to short the bounce. So it doesn't mean I won't counter trend on shorter or lower time frames or with options. I do that often, where I'm just looking for a quick, reversal, even though if it's a long-term upward trend, a short-term reversal with, a short, with options, because the options are a lot cheaper, and you can make a lot more money for less, right? So there's many different strategies, but overall, this is the main strategy for daily. So if you drop down the weekly chart, there was a sell on it, but again, it could be bouncing off, and we'll see if it regains the trending dots and all that stuff. And by dropping down to the daily chart, there's going to be several reasons why I think that the bottom could be in for silver futures, along with the monthly still bullish, and the weekly could be getting close to getting bullish again. So could just be putting in a higher low, and then we'll see if it puts in a higher high, right? So that's what we're going to be looking at. So jumping down the daily chart, where I spend most of my time, you have this big move up, retracement to a key area, a key sniper target area, a big move up. And it doesn't seem like a big move, but it was a big move on silver futures, because silver futures has got leverage. And I also played AGQ, which is a 2x bull ETF. I would say don't use futures or 2x ETF leverage, or trade at all until you're ready, right? So I wouldn't do it. It's high risk. Yes, you can make quick money, but you could also lose quick money, right? So learn first. So after that move, I have the key target box. Let me move that back over. So I had a key target box area, and it just so happened that it lined up perfectly with the 200-week moving average. So not only did it potentially find key support as a key target area that I watch on a regular basis, and price hits it on a regular basis, in my opinion, and a confluence of the 200 moving average, and probably other things as well. But how many things do I need to look at to say that it's it could have found support at a key area? And then there was a daily close back above the trending line, the trending dots. The trending dots are starting to level out. Could be seeing a green one on this candle or the next candle or the next couple. And this would be the second close back above the trending dots. As you can see on the indicator, we have a MACD bull cross pending. So it's a pending bullish crossover. It hasn't happened yet. So if you watch the MACD, we put it on the sharpshooter candles 3.0, and yes, you can see it visually by yourself on the MACD, but sometimes it looks like it's crossing and it's not, and then it drops back down. So I just like to have it, kind of simplified. You can take it off with the settings, right? So you can change the settings. I flip them back and forth on a regular basis because otherwise the chart gets too busy. So if you look at it here, you've got I had this trend line down like this, right? And I've been posting this in the Discord on a regular basis, like even up back in here, what I thought was a potential breakout. So I put an arrow like this, and I'm going to save some of the details for the Discord. In the Discord, I have a lot more details on there, and I show these targets and stuff like that. But for this purpose, I'm not going to. I'm just going to show you the Twitter, and then I'm going to be releasing these videos publicly, in 3 to 5 days afterwards too on YouTube. So I'm going to keep the details for the members. So got this potential breakout here, could be getting, I posted in Discord that could have a potential buy signal being flashed coming soon. And that could line up with, a daily close outside of this trend line. So if that happens, then, the probabilities are starting to stack that the next move out for silver futures and silver in general, the next potential buy the dip scenario could be happening. And we've been watching it. We've been ready for it. I was in this trade. Then we watched bearish divergence, I believe. I have to look at the other indicators, but I believe it was bearish divergence, followed by a retracement, and just been waiting patiently ever since. I did not take this short, but I did take this long position here, and now I've just been waiting patiently, looking at other assets while I'm waiting patiently. So it's still on the radar this whole entire time, and then I'll be looking for that next potential breakout. So it doesn't, waiting patiently means, it could come back down, create a double bottom, and then go. So just waiting for those higher probabilities to stack up and then take that next buy the dip scenario. So hope everyone's doing well. Thanks again. I appreciate all your support on Twitter and in the Discord. Obviously, if you guys have any questions, guys and gals, always feel free to reach out and ask me. I'm happy to help. So hope you have a good day, and I'll get this uploaded today and tag the subscribers. Thank you. Bye.